So hi guys, today we're going to learn about chapter 1, matter. So in this chapter, it is divided into 4 subtopics, as you can see here. So let's go to chapter 1.1, definition and classification of matter. So at the end of this topic, students should be able to define matter and classify matter into 4 different groups, which is elements and compounds, or homogeneous or heterogeneous mixtures. So all of these things are matter. The earth made of matter, this chair is matter, and even atoms, molecules are all matters. So what is matter actually? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass, right? For example, like air, water, animals, trees, and whatnot. Right, so matter may consist of atoms, ions or elements, molecules, compounds or mixtures. Those are the components of matters. So in a big picture, matter can be classified into pure substance and mixture. Alright, so pure substance can further divide into elements and compounds. Meanwhile, mixture can be further categorized into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Alright, so pure substance is a substance that made up of only one type of atom or one type of molecule. Alright, and it has distinct properties, and the composition does not vary from sample to sample. They are consistent. It can either be a compound or a single element. That's a pure substance. So let's go to the 2 classification of pure substance. The first one is element. Element consists of only one kind of atom. So, and it cannot be broken down into a simpler type of matter, either by physical or chemical means. So it can either exist as atoms or molecules. Example of atoms are argon, Ar, and molecules, Cl2, or other gases such as O2 and etc., as you can see here. Alright, so that's for element. For compound is a substance that contains 2 or more elements that chemically combine in a fixed proportion. Okay, so it can be broken down into simpler type of matter by chemical means, but not by physical means. Alright, for example, like H2O and also NaCl, a solid crystal of NaCl. Also CO2 gas, alright, and also much more, yeah, NO2. Alright, and that's it. Okay, that's for compound. Moving on, let's go to mixture. The second class of matter is mixture. Mixture is a physical combination of 2 or more substances in which the substance retain their chemical properties. They can be separated into substances by physical means, okay? And it can be categorized further into homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Alright, so homogeneous mixture is a mixture with no visible separation between its component. Okay, they consist of a single phase and have the same chemical composition. Okay, we're gonna go to the example later. Meanwhile, heterogeneous mixture is a mixture which the component can be visibly distinguished, and you can see the separation, visible separation. We just add that visible separation between the components. Okay, and then any mixture that contains more than one phase, okay, one phase is considered as one phase of matter. This is the continuity, okay, the notes. One phase of matter, okay, is heterogeneous mixture. Alright, so this is the exercise you have to do. Okay, this is just a recap. Okay, classify, and yeah, try this for a few seconds and we're gonna go to the answer later on here.